Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming support and updating system software. That prevents unexpected errors. Once done, charge both sides above 30% and connect to Wi-Fi so apps and permissions install smoothly. Next, go straight to Settings, then Display and find Dual Screen or Multi-Window. Tap the toggle to enable it. Grant any requested permissions. This step enables the feature and prepares the phone to pair screens, so make sure update's finished before moving on. Once dual screen is enabled, open the dual screen app or pull down Quick Settings to start pairing. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect the second display. You'll assign primary versus secondary roles and choose layout, side by side or extended desktop, so apps behave predictably. Make sure to set touch input and orientation preferences, then configure app shortcuts, split ratio, and notification handling for each screen. These settings control how you interact and where apps. You're ready to use both screens. Open apps on either display, drag windows between screens, or use dock shortcuts for quick transfers. Once you like the layout, save settings and test gestures and input so muscle memory builds. Enable battery optimizations and background limits to avoid rapid drain when both screens run. If pairing or display issues occur, reboot the device, confirm dual screen permissions, or reset the feature in settings. That clears most pairing and configuration glitches and gets you back working fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.